Today, Anthropic released a new small model, Claude Haiku 4.5, but wait, why launch a model cheaper than Sonnet 4.5? Don't they want to make money? We'll get to that in a second. Quick note before we start. I'll mention some benchmarks, but as always, real performance takes at least 2 weeks to see. So Claude Haiku 4.5 just dropped. A smaller model priced at $1 per million input tokens and $5 for output. That's about a third of Sonnet's cost. On benchmarks, it lands right between Sonnet 4 and 4.5 on SWE bench. But the real question is, why release such a cheap model? Well, if you've been on YouTube lately, you've probably seen videos about the Claude Code SDK and Codex SDK. These SDKs let developers create custom AI agents, basically small assistants that run on their own prompts and handle specific business tasks like chatting with customers or automating workflows. But why isn't Sonnet 4.5 good enough for this? Well, it actually is, just not ideal. Haiku 4.5 is way cheaper, and in chat-based agents, token use skyrockets fast since every message carries the full conversation history. Now, if cost isn't your issue and you're just throwing money at the problem, there's another key factor these agents need: speed. Anthropic says Haiku 4.5 is much faster than Sonnet 4.5. That means your agents can reply instantly. No more leaving customers hanging waiting for a response. Just imagine running your chat on Opus or Codex with high reasoning. Great responses, but way too slow for real-time conversations. That's exactly where Haiku 4.5 shines. So you should take 2 things from this video. First, this is just a first impression of Haiku 4.5, so stay suspicious. And second, why do some channels need 9 minutes to cover this? Even if you read the full article out loud, very slowly, it won't take that long. And since we're already talking about YouTube hype, I made a great video called Why the Best Coding Model is Totally BS. Make sure to watch it next.